makeup makeover for you to help you with some easy looks for the festive season. Whoops. And I'm going to be focusing on the amazing VaVaVamp Bundle that Urban Retreat has available right now. It's only available for a couple more days, so you'll have to get in quick. But we have, we're going to be showcasing the beautiful lip matte in Idol, the incredible mascara, and the eyebrow pencil, which are a part of this special bundle deal, which is available, these products together, 10% off all of them. And also don't forget, that's the regular price, but if you register as a VIP customer, you get another 10% off. So absolutely great deal. And I am also going to do the 3D corrector to create a bit more of a complete look. So first of all, I'm going to use this lip matte in Idol, and I'm going to use it as a blush as well. And it's going to look a little scary at the start, but bear with me, it is just incredible. So it's a really beautiful, rich blue red. And the blue red is important especially when it comes to on your lips, because it makes your teeth look extra white. So I'm just doing, as you can see, just a couple of light dabs on my cheeks. Looks like really bright red dots, doesn't it? But now I'm going to use one of the beautiful Urban Retreat brushes, and I'm actually going to rub them all in. Got to be fairly firm with it, buff it in, and you can see now I have this incredible glow. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to apply my 3D corrector, which is a beautiful foundation, over the top of it. And then it gives me such a wonderful, just healthy glow. So good. Okay, there we go. I've got that nice red glow. And now I'm going to apply the 3D corrector over my whole face. So with this one, you can actually just apply it with your fingers if you want, or you can apply it with a brush. I like a brush because it gives you a really lovely even coverage, and it's quite cost effective. You don't need as much product as well. Okay, I've got a pretty good coverage there. I use the brush again, and now I'm just going to buff it in. Now I love the 3D corrector because it's a non-greasy, really lightweight formula, but it's got anti-inflammatory ingredients in it as well, so it's going to be great for reducing redness. But I'm getting some age spots, and from my love of the sun over my nearly 50 years, and it's got alpha-arbutin in it, which is a natural ingredient known for evening out skin tone and reducing age spots. So it's just fabulous, fabulous product. But it's also got a peptide in there that is known for its ability to boost collagen production. Plus, it has hydrolyzed collagen in there, as well as hyaluronic acid. So it is doing so much good for your skin, as well as excellent coverage. Now, you can see that those really healthy red cheeks that I had before, it's a little hard to tell with my strong light that I've got coming in here, but I have got still a really healthy looking glow underneath. It doesn't look red anymore, it just looks healthy. So amazing. I get so many compliments when I wear this. So many people say, oh, you look, you just look so healthy and vibrant. And I know it's the fact that I've done that red underneath my 3D corrector. So fun stuff. Now the 3D corrector also has green algae extract, which is wonderful detoxifier and great anti-inflammatory. Plus it's got vitamin E. I absolutely love this stuff, and see how even a skin tone it's given me. It's just beautiful, beautiful product. Now, I'm going to go to the eyebrow pencil now. It's actually got two ends. One is a crayon. I use the medium shade, but it comes in light and dark as well. And I have a patch in one of my eyebrows. You can see there, I just have a gap with no hair. And that is from a chickenpox scar that I have had for most of my life, because no hair grows there. But with this, it just evens it up. I also was a victim of the 1990s trend of over plucking your eyebrows, so they were virtually non-existent. And the other thing is, look how much difference it makes just having a little bit of colour on your eyebrows. It just lifts that whole side of your face. It's wonderful. Now, this is so easy to apply. It's really also quite nourishing on your eyebrows, and it's kind of a little bit waxy. It's got plant-based waxes in there, so it adheres to the hairs, but it's also smooth and blendable, not greasy, and it gives a really long-lasting matte finish. I really love it. And at the other end, it's got this little brush, so you can brush it, and then because the product itself is slightly waxy, so it stays on your lashes, on the eyebrow hairs, it just sticks there once you brush it, so it keeps it in a great place. So really lovely product. Now, the mascara. This is just heaven for your lashes. It's actually a combination of a mascara and a lash conditioner and growth serum in one. And it achieves incredible lasting stay without any of the really nasty ingredients that you really don't want near your eyes, and so nourishing and conditioning for your lashes as well. It's also got hydrolyzed algae extract, seaweed extract, and pumpkin seed extract, and magnesium and vitamin C. Amazing! So good for you, all the ingredients that are in here. So that's why your lashes will love it. It's just so nourishing and healing for them. So no wonder they start growing beautifully. But I love it as well because it's water-based, so it's easy to remove, but it's also smudge resistant, so you don't have to worry about it coming off. I even, swimming season just starting here in Australia, I can even wear it in the pool without it being a big deal. I wouldn't want to, it's not waterproof, I'm not claiming that, but it's definitely smudge resistant. It's great. It's also got these special little fibres in there that adhere to and lengthen your lashes, but they're not crumbly, they're not going to fall out, they're not going to cause a problem for contact lens wearers. They are just incredible and make your lashes seem so much longer than they actually are. My natural lashes are actually starting to improve now. I've been using this for 6 months or thereabouts. My lashes, when I started using it, were tiny because I'd been abusing them with fake lashes for so long, and now I can actually see that I've got some lashes there. It's wonderful. The brush, I don't know if you can see it, but the brush has two sides. It has one side with the longer stems, and then it's got a side with tiny little ones, and that side with the tiny little ones is great for getting into those bottom lashes. And then you've got some definition down there as well. Nice and easy. Okay, it's also buildable. You could put on another coat and get even longer. I won't bother doing that now, take up too much of your time. But we're going to finish off with my favourite lip matte. I like a bit of colour in especially the festive season coming up. a good bright red is a bit of fun for Christmas time and Christmas parties and all of the events coming up. Now, this is a very strong pigment and it's a long stay without any of the synthetic chemicals that are often in long stay products that you really don't want to be putting on your lips. This doesn't have any of those synthetic nasties. It's just got incredible combination of hydrating ingredients that help it stay on your lips. It's got, listen to this, it's got jojoba, avocado, argan oil, grapeseed oil, shea butter and vitamin E. So no wonder it's long stay without the chemicals. It's beautiful. And it's because of all those hydrating ingredients, it doesn't dry out your lips. So nice. It kind of has like a velvety feel and finish and look. It's just beautiful. Okay, you can see how easily it glides on. Just even it up a little bit. There we go. Easy glide on. I get asked when I'm wearing this, where did you get your filler done? My lips look so full and so good that people assume I've had them filled. So there you go. Your secret weapon for the festive season. And you can see, because it's that blue red, you can see how much whiter my teeth look. So there you go. Add a little bit of eyeshadow and maybe you could even add a little bit of bronzer and you would have a complete look done. So that I wanted to show you the amazing products in the VaVaVamp Bundle. So grab it while you can. All of them come to 10% off each, so it brings it down to $62.60 Australian dollars. And remember, register as a VIP, which means that you get 10% off your first order every single month, including from your very first order. And if you spend over $100 any month, you get free shipping as well. Plus, we have been told that there are some special deals coming for VIP members in the lead up to Christmas, so make sure you're registered as a VIP. So enjoy, and I'll be back again in a few weeks with something else exciting to share with you. Bye for now.